Sticky throttle now. Sticky throttle. Look at the size of that dog there. Where the fucking hell's he come from? Oh man. I've no idea, just said the same. You know, how the fuck? Fuck's sake. Got a sticky throttle now. Great. Just what you need, isn't it? Go on, mate. So this is Ponts Gethin. This is where I fucked myself up on my T7. I'm about to do it again on my WRF. I've got a sticking throttle now as well. Awesome. Fucking hell! How much easier is that on a fucking little bike? Fucking hell! Shit!